In today's video, I will teach you how to create AI art for posters using Canva's Magic Media. Let's get started. Designing eye-catching poster art doesn't have to start with a blank canvas. With Canva's Magic Media, you can generate unique AI art that works perfectly for posters, whether they're for events, promotions, or creative projects. To do this, log into your Canva account, and from the Canvas homepage, click Canva AI to access Canva's Magic AI tools. And inside Canvas AI, you'll see a text box where you can type what you want the AI to create. Now click on the image icon to switch the AI to Magic Media mode, which is used for generating images. And now we're going to choose a style. To do this, click Style and you'll see a wide variety of style categories such as cinematic, creative, fashion, vector, and more. And here, you can select a style to guide the overall look of your poster art, or leave it unselected if you have a very specific style in mind and plan to describe it in your prompt. Choosing a style helps set the mood and artistic direction of your poster. Now in the text box, describe the type of AI art that you want to generate and clearly state that it's for a poster. And make sure to be as specific as possible. You can also include a theme or the concept of the poster, color palette or mood, art style, level of detail, and whether you want space for text like titles or event details. But you can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. Here are some prompt writing tips for AI poster art. And once your prompt is ready, choose the aspect ratio for your poster. You can also choose the aspect ratio depending on where the poster will be displayed. And to generate the AI art, press enter and let Canva's Magic Media generate your poster art. And Canva will generate 4 AI art images per prompt, so click on each image to view it more closely and decide which one best fits your poster idea. And if you like an image, you can either open it in Canvas Editor, turn it into a full poster design, or repurpose it for Instagram or other platforms. And if the image looks slightly low quality, click Boost Resolution to improve the clarity. And if it's not quite right, you can tweak your prompt and ask the AI to adjust the style, colors, or layout, then generate again. And once you're happy with the final result, click on the image that you like and select Download to save it to your device. Canva's Magic Media makes creating AI art for posters fast and flexible. With clear prompts and a bit of experimentation, you can generate artwork that grabs attention and fits your creative vision perfectly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.